Hey TikTok fam! Today, I'm going to show you how to use the trendy PlayStation 2 filter to create amazing videos all without spending a dime or using any third-party apps. Let's dive right in. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner to access the search bar. In the search bar, type Retro Game Filter or Retro Game Effect and hit search. At the top of the search results, you'll see filters related to your query. Look for the one with the AI text on it. This is the PlayStation 2 style filter. Tap on it to open the filter page, where you can check out all the cool videos created with this effect. To use the filter, tap the Use This Effect button at the bottom of the screen. This will open the TikTok camera. You can either take a new photo or select one from your gallery. To use a photo from your gallery, tap the plus button to open your photo library and choose the image you want to transform. TikTok will analyze your photo and apply the PlayStation 2 effect. In just a few seconds, you'll see a before and after animation showing off the filter in action. Once the effect is applied, you're ready to record your video. Start capturing your content and have fun experimenting with this awesome retro vibe. That's it. You've successfully created a TikTok video using the PlayStation 2 filter. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and share the video. For more TikTok tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Happy creating